Welcome to Gaming Basics, where every gamer starts their journey. Whether you're new to gaming or looking to brush up on the fundamentals, Gaming Basics is your one-stop solution. This is your host Ace, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to add a friend in Dota. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like as it helps us with the YouTube algorithm. So to add a friend, first you gotta click on Add Friend button right here, and then enter your friend's ID. For example, I'm gonna add someone. So hit the search button and then click on Add Friend and then confirm. And now I've sent a friend request to this person right here. If you have any questions for us, please feel free to mention us in the comment section down below. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest guides and tutorials. This has been your host Ace. Happy gaming.